Hi, I'm Ben. I've been playing drums for around 20 years now. Started learning when I was just 10 years old, and I've been playing in various bands for the last 20 years, most recently playing with brass bands. For those not familiar, that's 25 brass instruments and percussion, and we play a mix of marches, contemporary pieces, traditional pieces, and it's really good fun. I've been using the Collision 7A sticks, which are brilliant for brass bands because they have the durability for those long sessions where you might not have the ability to have some spare sticks, but they're also great lightweight and they're perfect for the dynamic ranges that we have to play through our pieces. What you're about to see is me playing at one of our rehearsals of a rendition of Billie Jean. Enjoy.